Morning class, I am your computer teacher of class 5. Today we will do new chapter which is memory, chapter number 2 on page number 16. Open page number 16. Children, you have learned about computer memory. Today we will read this chapter. Children, you have learned about computer memory, measuring it, and primary, secondary memory and storage devices in the last class. In this class, you will get important information about memory. We give input to the computer and get output from it. The part of the computer where input and output are saved is called memory. The memory of the computer is of two types, primary and secondary. The memory of the computer is of primary memory is also known as internal memory. Primary memory is the fastest memory and the CPU can access it directly. The information is saved in it while working on the computer. After saving the work, it is in the hard disk. If the work is not saved and the power goes off, then the information will be lost. However, the information is saved on the computer due to auto-save feature. The primary memory is of two types, RAM or random access memory and ROM or read-only memory. Difference between RAM and ROM. ROM, it does not require continuous power supply to keep the stored data safe. RAM, it requires continuous power supply. Second, ROM. The stored data is not lost even if the power is lost. RAM, second, the stored data is lost if the power is lost. ROM, third point. The process of writing data in ROM is slow. RAM, third point, the process of writing data in RAM is fast. Fourth point, ROM, the CPU cannot access it directly. Fourth point, RAM, the CPU can access it directly. Fifth point, RAM, it is permanent memory, ROM, and fifth point, RAM, it is temporary memory. Now, memory space. Children, you read different subjects in your class like English, Hindi, mathematics, science, computer science, etc. You study all the lessons of all the subjects and remember them. This is possible because you have memory, but it has a limit. Therefore, you tend to forget all old things and remember the new things. The memory of a computer is very large, but it has a limit, and the memory of every computer is different. Find out the memory of computer. The steps to find out the memory of computer RAM are as follows. First, click on computer icon on the desktop. A window will open. Click on system properties in it. A window will open. Third, see the picture. You can see installed memory RAM 4.00 GB in this picture. It means the RAM memory of the computer system is 4 GB. Finding out the memory of hard disk drive ROM. Each computer has different hard disk drives like C, D, E, etc. Each hard disk has different memory. We can find the memory of the hard disk and store the files and folders accordingly. The steps for finding out the hard disk drive memory are as follows. First, double click on computer icon on the desktop. Second, we can see the hard disk drive memory in this area. The hard disk drives and their memory are different in every computer system. See the picture above. There are 3 hard disk drives, C, D and E. The total memory of C drive is 48.7 GB, that of D is 166 GB and that of E drive is 83 GB. The total memory is 297.7 GB. Third, we can also find out the total used and remaining, also known as free memory. The total memory and used memory of secondary storage devices appear under devices with removable storage. See the example picture. We can see the memory of Idea Wi-Fi USB device. In the same way, we can also find out the memory of CD, DVD, pen drive, etc. So this is the reading of the chapter. This is part A of reading. From part B, we will start from types of files and their extension. Thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.